you've been with JP Morgan for about 25 years now, and today you are Chief Learning Officer. Tell us about your career and your journey to get to where you are today.
As I think about my career and my journey, as you've put it, I term it as the accidental career, in as much as I joined the firm via a management development program, really with a focus on doing general management. As I've had the opportunity to be in several management opportunities, the offer of interviewing for a Chief Learning Officer role emerged, and it emerged at a very interesting time when we were doing some work within the firm to really position us for some of the challenges of this digital economy. And as a result of the roles that I was in, the experiences really positioned me as a consumer for learning, particularly going through not just a management development program, but a credit training program. I really had an insider's view to how we delivered learning within our organization and our consumer business as well as in our commercial business. And after going through several interviews, really was privileged to be selected to help drive our learning culture forward in the context of the Consumer and Community Banking Group.